Hello everyone, welcome to Infinite Curiosity. Today, we're diving into some of the best personal finance tips and money-saving hacks that you can start using right now. We'll be covering everything from budgeting and saving to investing and reducing expenses. Get ready for some effective steps you can adopt right away to bring tangible results to your routine. So grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's get started. Let's be real, nobody likes the word budget, but trust me, a budget is not about limiting yourself, it's about understanding where your money is going and making it work harder for you. Think of it as your financial roadmap guiding you towards your goals. The first step is to track your income and expenses. Write down everything. That daily coffee, those subscription services you barely use, it all adds up. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can start allocating your money towards your needs and wants. The key is to be honest with yourself and make a plan that works for you. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. Unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or job loss can derail your budget. That's where your emergency fund comes in, acting as a financial safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small, even $50 a month. Gradually increase this amount over time. An emergency fund gives you peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for life's surprises. Make your money work for you. Pay yourself first. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings, retirement, or investment accounts. Automation removes the emotion from saving and investing. Start small, even $25 a week adds up. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Slash your spending. Smart ways to reduce expenses. Start by identifying areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your lifestyle. Do you really need that daily latte? Can you negotiate a better rate on your car insurance? Small changes can add up to big savings over time. Challenge yourself to a no-spend day or weekend once a month. Get creative with free entertainment options, like going for a hike, visiting a local park, or borrowing a book from the library. Remember, being mindful of your spending doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means being intentional with your money. Track your way to financial freedom. The power of financial apps. In today's digital age, countless financial apps help you manage money like a pro. From budgeting to expense tracking and investment, these tools simplify your financial life. One great feature is spending alerts. Get notified when nearing your budget limit, helping you avoid overspending. Track spending, understand habits, and achieve financial goals. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with upcoming content. Remember, personal finance is a journey, and every step you take towards improving your financial literacy brings you closer to your goals. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow. The most important thing is to start taking action today. So, go out there and start building your brighter financial future. Thanks for watching. Until next time.